What's up, my fellow citizens of YouTube? Citizen Kev here. Just on my way back from talking with the client. I'm sorry if the camera's real shaky. I guess I don't have a real good camera mount. But this is Ghana for my business owners out there. Just what would you do in order to, help out a client? For us, it's really not that big of a deal. I left the office. Obviously, I've talked about this before, but our office is in Dallas. I met him downtown. It's only a handful of minutes away. I mean, now it's kind of unfortunate, but I have traffic on my way back to the office, so I can go see Citizen Rissa and the baby. That is so cool, y'all. That's such a blessing to be able to bring up our kid. Yeah, I kind of want to just know what is the craziest thing that y'all have done for a client? Now, I know my realtors out there, y'all will drive super far. Insurance, typically you don't really have to do that. We have a lot of most of our business is done online. For this particular client, they don't have an email address, so I did have to, I met with them and got a wet signature. I haven't done that in a very, very long time, and most of the time it was people that I really knew. Luckily, this client is someone we already had a policy with. But yeah, I went and met them downtown, got him to sign a few documents so I can write another policy for one of the homes that he owns. And I don't know, I was just thinking, I was like, do other people do this? Other insurance agents, do y'all do this for your clients? Or do you typically have them meet you at your office? Most of the time I would. Citizen Rissa was holding it down, and it's just like, yeah, I don't mind driving out there real quick. Like I said, he's someone that we already have a policy with. I already know how he operates. He's a really good guy. So it was kind of easy. Just get out there, get a couple of signatures. Like I said, he doesn't have email, so it's the most manual process I probably have ever done. But it was cool. Those of you who are wondering why insurance is so expensive, please go out, especially if you live in the Dallas area. Drive around right now. Right now it's at like almost around 2:30. Let's see how much traffic is out here. I mean, come on now. There's a ton of traffic, and I'm on a highway. Why is there traffic at 2:30? Anyways, y'all take care. As always, don't forget to do good, be good, and feel good. I'll catch you later.